Welcome to another travel vlog. Come with me to Ireland on a short but sweet 4-day trip to Dublin and Galway. This is only my second time going to Europe and my first time to Ireland. We had a layover at the Dallas airport and now we're finally on our way to Dublin. Here are some views from our taxi. I remember my first impression was that Dublin reminded me a lot of San Francisco. It felt good to get settled at the hotel before heading out to get some lunch. We stopped at a place called the Seafood Cafe. I was definitely craving some fish and chips.
Oh, just in time. So these ones here are the
It was delicious. I definitely enjoyed it. Look how pretty their streets are, colorful and old school historical cobblestone. I love their beer, but I definitely enjoyed the views from their 7th floor gravity bar too. Now we're entering the Irish Museum of Modern Art just to see its gardens. I love the autumn vibes here. The museum was closed, but I didn't mind. The courtyard was really pretty and they had some interesting looking birds.
Drinking Woodford till we drown. We get wind about a party.
Later that night, we had a very delicious dinner at a restaurant called Variety Jones.
You ready? Let's do it.
Now we're just waiting for their light rail system called the Luas. I think that's the way you say it. In particular, their red line. And now we're off to go to Houston Station to take the train to Galway. The streets of Dublin really remind me of San Francisco. The bus never came, so we had to take an Uber. There were so many buses that passed by us with their digital signs saying out of service. Galway is a city on the west side of the country, and I just remember thinking, wow, how cute is this place when we were walking around their downtown area. And according to an online search, their population is now almost at 86,000.
Cause you're a sky for the stars.
Now we're crossing over the River Corrib, walking towards Aniar Restaurant. It's a Michelin-starred restaurant in Galway. Aniar's food was delicious, and as you can see, the presentation was beautiful. I also loved how they gave us poems with a couple of the dishes. The next day, on Saturday, I was really excited to go see the cliffs of Moher. Too bad the weather was very windy and rainy. I love making tea or coffee in the hotel room as I start getting ready for the day. Then we headed down to the hotel's restaurant called Frankie's Bar and Bistro for a delicious breakfast buffet. Now we're on the tour bus by Lally Tours on our way to the Cliffs of Moher. I think we departed around 12 noon and we're supposed to arrive there probably around 1:30ish. was so bummed that we were only able to admire the cliffs for just a couple minutes. As you can see, it was very stormy, hailing, rainy, windy, so we had no choice but to go inside and spend the rest of our time in the visitor center. Now we're back in Dublin, and I mustered up my strength to check out St. Stephen's Green. It's such a beautiful park. I thought it was so cute how this swan was just glowing in the sunlight. Since this was our last full day in Ireland, we walked around and got some souvenirs, and then also checked out Trinity College, which is famous for its library that has the Book of Kells. We did not go inside, however, since I was not feeling well, and I think you have to get tickets in advance anyway. It's the next morning, and we're on the air coach, which takes you directly from downtown Dublin to the airport. Although my time in Ireland was very short, I did enjoy myself, and I do hope to come back again one day.